Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is one drop dead gorgeous 67 GTO. Yes, there is a 400 under that beautiful blue hood, and she is looking absolutely beautiful. Now, one of the things you need to check out on every GTO is the chrome around the headlights, and look at those bezels right there. Those babies look brand new. The trim here also looks brand new. The chrome on the front bumper's looking sweet. The emblem on the hood is looking sweet. I mean, everything about this car is absolutely gorgeous. Now, as you look down the side of it, she is straight as can be. That blue paint is just absolutely gorgeous. The body work on it is done phenomenally. And then the Cragars really set it off with those stainless steel rockers looking good. I mean, she is one beautiful car, guys. 67 GTO. Now check out the interior here also. The white interior, all you guys that live in those states where it gets to be 125 degrees out are gonna love this white interior. You don't have to worry about burning your butt. Even though I'm a black interior guy, I understand why you guys want this white interior, because it is badass when it's hot outside. You can see that all the walnut on the dash and the center console, all looking sweet. Absolutely gorgeous. We got a great looking steering wheel in there. I love the stance on the car. You can see that GTO emblem, the chrome on the back bumper. Of course, the way to tell a quick 67 is the way this tail panel is. You know, on the 66s, they had those covers on the tail lights. Let's see, I got 3 keys here, so I'm gonna go with the round one. Look at that. Looks like we got an original bias ply spare in there, looking good, just like it would have from the factory. Whenever you're looking at a car, make sure you pull up that mat in the trunk, make sure that trunk floor looks good. That looks just like it would have back in 1967. All the wiring here also, this harness looks like it's brand new. You can see the paint on the bottom side of the deck lid, also looking beautiful. One gorgeous car, man. And then as you look down the passenger side, you can see that it's just nice and straight, just like the driver's side. That passenger door's fitting nice, looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we bought this GTO. We spent our money, we did our due diligence, we checked it all out, and then when the cars get here to the shop, we put them up on the lift and inspect them so we can answer every one of your questions. And we also do the video, which you'll see here in a minute, and we take a bunch of pictures. All right, guys, it is raining and nasty out today, so we're not taking this beauty out in the rain. But as you can see, the dash is absolutely gorgeous. The faces of the gauges, the walnut on the dash, all the chrome's looking good. I love the skinny steering wheel, man. It just really brings back the memories. We got the his and her shifter here with the wood grain looking sweet on there. Now it does have the AM radio in it. Let me turn the key on here. I do not hear any AM noises, so if you're a radio guy, you might want to upgrade to one of the retro sound radios that you can hook up with your phone. The car does have air conditioning. I mean, the dash pad's looking good. I mean, everything just looking beautiful on this thing. And don't forget, we can ship it anywhere in the world. You call Tom, he'll tell you just how easy that is. We can help you with financing, and we'd love to have you come in and check it out in person or send your inspector. So call Tom anytime. He's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. And you gotta stick with us because we're about to put it up on the lift and show you just how pretty the bottom side is. All right, we're underneath this GTO now, and it is pretty under here. As you can see, she's got a new gas tank in her. That trunk floor on the bottom side's looking good and nicely painted. I see new body mounts. I see nice paint on the frame. I see brand new exhaust. I mean, this thing is clean as can be. Now, in the rear end housing here, we got a 355 gear and limited slip. You can see they've got all the stickers on there, the grease pencil marks. We got brand new brake lines. We got brand new bushings in the upper and the lower control arms. Looks like brand new drums on the brakes. I see new nails. I see new cylinders in there. So, and the guys will take this all apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see some of the extra braces. They're in the heavy duty cars up here. The lower control arms look like they're new. The exhaust up here is new. The drive shaft looks like it's brand new. The floorboards look incredible, beautiful. They got the chassis black on them. We got new fuel line, new brake line, new vapor line going front to back. I mean, everything under here is clean as a whistle, man. The frame's all painted up here. The cross members all painted up. We got turbo 400 trans in this. That is a 3-speed automatic, and it is similar to what would have came in the car from the factory. Now, it has been upgraded to a high torque starter. It's a little easier on your battery. I see new shocks up front. Looks like new rebuilt calipers, new flex lines. I see new ball joints. I see new bushings in the sway bar. Tie rod ends look like they're new on both ends here. Drag link looks like it's new. Idler arm looks new. Core support's in great shape. Trans cooler lines look like they're new. The front frame horns are nice and straight. I mean, right down to the flaps in here. Look at that. Beautiful. And then in the wheel wells there, look at the finish on the inside of the wheel wells. All looking good, and it's got the rubber flap up there, right there by the where the dog bone is for that upper control arm. Then, of course, brand new Cragars, brand new BFGs, and these babies are 215/60 15s up front. Looks like the wheel lip molding's new. The rocker molding on this thing is beautiful. The bottom side of the rocker's nice. The pinch weld's looking phenomenal. I can see another brand new body bushing right in here. Everything looking good. Floorboards are just incredible. Now out back we have got, there it is, two 35/60 15s out back, again on some brand new Cragars. Well, let's lower this GTO down and take a look under that hood. All right, under the hood she's looking sweet also. We got that Pontiac 400 under there. She's got a period correct carb on there. That is the 4-barrel. We've got the chrome valve covers. That carb is the Rochester. We got power booster here. We got what looks like a fairly new master cylinder. We got brand new brake lines here. I see the upper control arm looks like it's new. The steering linkage looks new. You can see the AC compressor there. You can see all the aluminum lines and everything all looking sweet there. Looks like a lot of the vacuum lines are new. We've got the air ram hood here with the seal there for the air cleaner. I mean, the firewall's all nicely painted. Fan shroud looks good. The whole area up here in front of the radiator is also cleaned up, looking good. We've got one of the tops on the battery to make it look like it's old school. This little green knob right here, you turn it to the left, that actually turns the battery off. Then you can turn it back on. Keep that baby off in storage. You got GM markings on the hoses here. We got the correct hose clamps on everything. I mean, everything under the hood of this thing is looking sweet. So this thing is show and go, guys. You're gonna have to keep the bottom nice and clean. You're gonna have to get this baby up on some jack stands or the lift in your garage. Keep it wiped down. Make sure you get some mirrors and slide under it for when you go to the car show so you can show off the beauty of this car. So call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.